Welcome to PaidToday, how to create text templates or content templates that you can use in a number of areas, one of which being when sending emails or text SMSs. And if you don't want to rewrite the same thing over and over, maybe it's a welcome message or things of that nature, you want to create templates for these things. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the business tab on the left sidebar here, and then scroll down to templates. And you can see that we have a few created here and the type. So this is a SMS template. So when I'm sending an SMS from maybe from a contact view or to a specific contact, these will be available from a drop-down selector, and vice versa too for the emails. If I'm sending an email from in-app, I can also choose from these templates as well. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and click Create New Template on the top right. And then we'll choose which one we want it to be. If it's a note, you can also use this as notes that you can attach to contacts. So if you have a consistent avenue of where new customers come in and you want to make a note of that, you just create the template and then just apply it for everybody that comes in via that way. So we'll just try a SMS here. Welcome SMS text. And then we'll go ahead and save template there on the top right once you have your information in. And the template title and email, this will be the email title obviously, and then the content. For an SMS, same thing. So we can also see here's our new one, welcome SMS text. And we can see the type, when it was created, and then we can also make edits if I want to edit that. And go ahead and remove that. This also gives away you and your teams to have consistent messaging, because all of your team members can just use these templates, and then that way you guys have continuity between your business's messaging and overall branding and feel.